Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, so we just covered what is cloud computing. It means we have services available from cloud, but what is the other flavor? The other flavor is on-premise solution. That is a traditional way of doing things. Now let's understand what is this traditional way. I mean, if we do not want to consider cloud, then what is this traditional way? Okay, so we just saw that this is how a web application works, right? We need a client, we need a server, and the computation is happening on server. All the calculation is happening on server, right? So we want to put this server somewhere. Now when we have the cloud, this is on cloud, but when it is not cloud, it means it's a traditional way or on-premise way where we will put the server. Again, the servers are the physical machines, right? The wherever we have all those cables, etc. The hardware where we will put it. So what used to happen, we used to have small offices, a workstation, or maybe bigger offices, or even a data center, right? The big buildings where these servers physically they are put over there, and then the networking connection, etc. We put the cables, etc. so that the connection with the server happens. This is the traditional way. Okay, so for example, I want to create a web application, and I want to choose traditional way, on-premise way. The very first thing is I need to purchase servers for my web application, whether it is database, etc. I mean everything, and then I will put those servers somewhere. Maybe I will buy or I will rent a, a work location, a small office or something, so that I can put those servers, and then I need to look after them, right? I mean, that is the only way. Otherwise, maybe there is a power outage or something. Okay, so that is the traditional way of working, putting the servers. Now, with the issue with the traditional approach, what are the issues? Why people thought of like moving to cloud service? Okay, and here I have just to make it fun, I have just given one few examples which can be real time examples. So, for example, just consider the Christmas time, right? Or we used to see this at the time of Diwali in India. We used to have Amazon big sale, etc. goes on. So I mean, lots of sale items on Myntra, etc. So more items, more sale. It means more users will come to your web application. So to increase that load, right? Your size of your website, the CPU, the memory, etc. That should also be more so that your website can perform well with those set of users, right? So for example, okay, this guy is saying the Christmas time is coming and I need to increase the server. Now just consider, if it is a traditional approach, I'm maintaining those servers in my house. I need to put some more servers to inside my house. I need to add those servers. So what I will do, I will go to market, I will buy those servers, and then I need to do that connectivity, etc. Right? Or what if there is a power outage, right? It happens with the, at least in India it happens, right? I mean it less in metro cities, but yeah, still it's there. If there is even a fraction seconds of power outage, your server is gone, your server is down, and then of course it will impact your website too. Now whenever I saying we need to maintain the server, it means they need to work 24/7. It means someone needs to look after them, right? 24/7 too. So you guys, if you remember long back, we used to have those type of shifts where one person will sit over there, will look after the server is up all the time. If there is no issue at all, there are bugs around in the house, rats, etc., etc. Make sure they are not going inside, they are not chewing the wires, etc. So someone should have to look after all those machines, etc. I mean, one person is going, another person is coming. It's like 24 support. These are the issues, real time issues with the traditional approach. Now how can we fix it? Of course we know, because that is why we have this web series. uh, the answer will be cloud, and we are going to talk more about it. Like I said, it's a fun part. It's not that the cloud in the sky, but yeah, physical infrastructure is still there, but big giants, Google cloud platform like AWS, Google Cloud, etc. So these are taking care of, they are maintaining the server for us, but those physical infrastructure is still there, but it now it's called cloud. Okay, stay connected, let's learn more about cloud computing.